What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. The market is literally hit all-time brand new fresh highs. There's 10 seconds left until the market closes, and as you see, NQ is literally selling off, coming off the highs. We had Powell finish speaking a couple minutes ago, literally said the bell's about to go off right now, that the Fed is going to continue to keep buying bonds. It was $100 and some billion a month. We also have the central bank that they're going to increase their asset purchase program if the economy slows down or the recovery slows. We also have Congress close a $900 billion rescue deal that includes a new round of direct payments to consumers. But before we hop into the stocks, if you guys haven't already, click down that first link down below for our free chat, and make sure you guys leave a like on the video. It helps out the channel. Now let's get into some stocks. As for our day today, we closed some profits on Tesla. I'm not gonna swing trade it. I do think there might be a pullback tomorrow. Oops, not this stock, Tesla. So we're 339 on Tesla. We lost a couple on XPEV, so right around 300. But nonetheless, Tesla, the same pattern as yesterday, which I noted. It comes around an hour and a half to 2 hours after the market opens, followed by a big dip, a big sell-off, which in my opinion was just a flash crash down to what support, guys? The $600 mark. We've been talking about it for the last couple of videos. And in the last video we said be careful on Tesla, watch your position size, because moves like this, they just create a lot of panic. And it's easy to say in hindsight that you can hold into recovery, and even if we would have held our shares, guys, right now we would have been up like $2,000. But the thing is, you don't know if it's gonna bounce back. You don't know if it's gonna come down under 600, maybe even 597, and just trade around there, bounce to 605, and then close possibly at new lows. It's easy to just say everything in hindsight, but the only way you're gonna live to see another day is if you manage your risk and you cut your losses. So tomorrow, I'm probably going to size in with half, maybe 1/3 of what I'm usually trading with, just to be on the protected side. I know we're headed towards December 18th, or the end of the week, which is a very, very huge, important day for Tesla, coming into its inclusion on December 21st. But like I said, my gut is telling me watch these dips and take opportunity and advantage of them. So I'm going to be patiently, possibly waiting. Usually I hop in Tesla 2-3 minutes after the market opens. But something right now is telling me to just be careful and be patient and just wait for one of these, another pullbacks, another one of these dips. With this volatility, it's just inevitable that you must manage your risk. So watch 600s. And this is the trend line we had here from higher lows, coming off the 669, 650s, down until we were like around the 600s. And then we broke up, of course, off this trend line, and now we might possibly come back down to test the low 600s. So be very careful. And if not, and I'm completely wrong, and it starts curling up above EMA again on the 1 hour, watch the 630s. We've been talking about that 630 support level. I believe it was Monday and Tuesday earlier this week, and we had that 630 resistance. When was this? December 7th. So that 630 resistance was broken, and then we hit the new highs, and then we pulled back, and then it started to hang around the 630s, but it did not even hold. We started pulling back. Now we're trading around the 620s. So watch the 630s resistance. As for XPEV, we lost $37 on this one today. Those were our only two trades. XPEV, this one I'm glad I sold. This is exactly what I mean when you don't know if it's going to recover. The stock doesn't have to come back to your entry point so you could cut even, you could break even. It doesn't. You always have to cut your losses quickly, and we did on this one. Very kind of stupid trade. It was exactly at the same time Tesla pulled back. So, I mean, a little unfortunate event there, but nonetheless, I still managed to stick to my plan. ZM hit the lows of 393 today. It's still bouncing around the $400 level. You guys already know where I want this stock to come down to. I want this stock to pull back. Let's look at the 4 hour and hit a triple bottom, almost quadruple even at this time, right around the 370s. I'm watching Zoom every single day. One stock that bounced that was overdue, long overdue, is Alibaba, which we wanted at 250, possibly even sub 250s, but it bounced off 252, so close to 250s. And now, where's Alibaba? It's back in this wedge. It's back in this descending triangle. So I wouldn't have gone full today. I wouldn't have been confident buying into the market close, assuming for a swing trade. To me, it's a little too risky buying here to the 262s, because keep in mind, you still have this resistance here that can be honored and it can be rejected off this level. And once again, come down back to 252s. So for those of you that got in the low 250s, I would have sold today. But hey, that's just me. Everyone has a different trading plan. And that's just the beautiful part about trading stocks. Everybody has a different trading strategy that best suits them. Put it that way. Apple, this one yesterday is the day it had a crazy rally. I'm kind of surprised it held the 127s. I would have probably expected it to pull back to 125s, but with the overall market pushing to new highs and tech just completely blowing out of the water. I mean, look at Amazon as well that pulled back yesterday. I think Parker bought this one. One of our members in the chat room bought this one here down in the lows of I think it was like 30.60 where you bought that 32.42 now. Just completely rallying. But I'm not a buyer yet, guys. This is why I don't feel too comfortable swing trading anything in this market right now. But the overall sentiment of Powell kind of makes me want to hop in at these highs and just hold long term. But we'll see. We'll see how my sentiment changes. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. That pretty much concludes my video. I'm only going to be watching those couple stocks. NEO had a good rally today at the market open, followed by this pullback, but nonetheless, it's still coming off its high or off its lows of 38.74 on the 5 minutes, and of course on the 1 hour we still have it curling above EMA. Has yet to pull back. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys found this video of value, slap a like, comment down below your thoughts. Are you buying these market highs? And I'll see you guys in the chat room tomorrow for another exciting and crazy trading day. Take care, everybody.